Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss waves in physics, and in that two relations we will see. Okay, the relations between time period and frequency, and second relation we will discuss about velocity, frequency, and wavelength of the wave. Okay, so first of all, we should see the definition of frequency and time period, and then we will discuss the relations between them. The first is frequency, the number of complete wavelengths traversed by the wave in 1 second is called the frequency of a wave. Here, you have to keep in mind that one vibration is equivalent to one wavelength. It is represented by f, that is small f. Now, second is time period. Time taken by the wave to travel or distance equal to one wavelength. It is represented by capital T. Now, the first relation we will see, relation between frequency and time period. So time for completing f vibrations equals to 1 second. So time for completing one vibration equals to 1 by f second. So t equals to capital T equals to 1 by f. Yeah, and this implies f equals to 1 by t. And by crisscross multiplication we get f into t equals to 1. That means frequency into time period equals to 1. So we can say that frequency is multiplicative inverse of time period because their product is 1. Now, this was the first relation, and the second relation we will see a relation between velocity, frequency, and wavelength of the wave. So let small f equals to frequency of a wave, capital T equals to time period of the wave, and lambda, that is equals to wavelength of the wave, and v equals to velocity of the wave. Well, one thing we know that velocity equals to distance by time. This implies v equals to s by t. For distance s is written here. Now, in one complete vibration of the particle, distance traveled equals to s, that is equals to lambda, that is the wavelength, and time taken is equals to capital T. So therefore velocity equals to v, that is equals to distance by time, that is equals to lambda by t, because distance is lambda, that is equals to s as I have mentioned above, so lambda by t. So this implies v equals to, and this can be separated lambda into 1 by t or 1 by 2 into lambda. And just now we have seen here that frequency is reciprocal of time period. So 1 by t means frequency. So in place of 1 by t, here we are writing f into lambda, that means v equals to f into lambda. So v equals to f into lambda. So hence we can say that velocity of a wave is the product of frequency and wavelength of the wave. This relation of this relation is true for transverse as well as longitudinal waves. Okay, thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.